Here's an explanation of each main Terraform command, along with examples of how they're used. Main commands: Terraform init initializes a working directory containing Terraform configuration files. Example: Terraform init. This command downloads necessary provider plugins and sets up the directory for use. Use it when starting a new configuration or when switching providers. Terraform validate validates the configuration files to ensure syntax and logic are correct. Example: Terraform validate. Run this before a plan or apply command to confirm there are no syntax errors. Terraform plan shows the changes required by the current configuration. Example: Terraform plan out equals plan.out. This will create an execution plan and save it in plan.out, which can then be applied without rechecking changes. Terraform apply applies the configuration to build or update the infrastructure. Example: Terraform apply plan.out. Use this to apply the saved execution plan, plan.out, generated from the previous plan command. Terraform destroy deletes all resources created by Terraform. Example: Terraform destroy auto-approve. Use auto-approve to skip the confirmation step. This is useful for tearing down infrastructure quickly. Other commands: Terraform console opens an interactive console to test Terraform expressions. Example: Terraform console. You can test expressions and view resource attributes here, which is helpful for debugging. Terraform FMT reformats configuration files to the standard style. Example: Terraform FMT. Running this standardizes file formatting, making it easier to maintain. Terraform force unlock unlocks a stuck Terraform state. Example: Terraform force unlock lock under ID greater than. Use this if a Terraform process fails and leaves the state file locked. Terraform get downloads and installs modules. Example: Terraform get. Use this when you add or change a module to download the correct version. Terraform graph creates a dependency graph of resources in the configuration. Example: Terraform graph.tpng greater than graph.png. This command is often piped to a GraphViz tool to visualize relationships between resources. Terraform import imports existing resources into Terraform management. Example: Terraform import AWS_instance.example I 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 appdef0. Use this to bring an existing AWS EC2 instance under Terraform's control. Terraform login authenticates Terraform with a remote backend. Example: Terraform login. This saves credentials for secure backends like Terraform Cloud. Terraform logout removes stored credentials for a remote backend. Example: Terraform logout. Use this when you want to clear credentials locally. Terraform metadata displays metadata about Terraform's capabilities or environment. Example: Terraform metadata help. Use this for advanced troubleshooting. Terraform output displays output values from a configuration. Example: Terraform output instance underway. Use this to get values for outputs defined in the configuration. Terraform providers lists the providers used in the configuration. Example: Terraform providers. Useful for identifying provider versions and dependencies. Terraform refresh updates the state file with real-time resource statuses. Example: Terraform refresh. Use this if the state file needs refreshing due to external changes. Terraform show displays the current state or saved plan. Example, Terraform show. Use this to view details of the current infrastructure state. Terraform state performs advanced state management tasks like moving resources. Example, Terraform state mv old_resource new_resource. Use this when restructuring your state file. Terraform taint marks a resource as needing replacement. Example, Terraform taint AWS_instance.example. This is useful when a resource is in a broken state. Terraform untaint removes the tainted flag from a resource. Example, Terraform untaint AWS_instance.example. Use this if the resource no longer needs replacement. Terraform version displays the Terraform version. Example, Terraform version shows the version, which is useful for debugging. Terraform workspace manages multiple workspaces for isolating environments. Example, Terraform workspace new dev creates a new workspace named dev for working on different environments. Global options dir equals dir changes the directory before executing the subcommand. Example, Terraform dir equals path/to/config. Apply. Help shows help for any command. Example, Terraform apply help version alias for Terraform version. Example, Terraform version. These commands cover essential workflows in Terraform and help with various advanced operations. Let me know if you need further detail on specific commands.